Destiny Lashai. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be trying out this turmeric Aztec clay mask for at least a week to see if my skin gets any better. I haven't been drinking water like I should. I haven't been working out like I should. I just been slacking lately. So this is what I tend to do when my skin is acting up and when I'm acting up. I feel like at the end of the day, my skin fluctuates based on what I'm doing and like how I'm eating and what I'm ingesting and everything. My skin ain't too happy right now. But let me show it to you guys. I just popped a zit back here like by my ear. You see that? I've done this in the past, but I just want to see if it's actually really effective or if it's just in my head. I like to use the Aztec healing clay. I put in some honey. This is like pure honey. And then I add some turmeric, and my liquid is going to be apple cider vinegar. My face is already washed, and I'm going to wash this mask off in the shower. When it comes down to Aztec clay, always, like if you're using this with any mask, wash it off in the shower because it's so hard to get off sometimes. Oh, is it gonna move? Put some of that honey on. Turmeric will stay in your skin, so don't put too much. This is way too much. So there's that. Oh, this stuff smells so bad. I'm gonna put this in there. Not too much. I feel like that was too much, but whatever. We're just gonna stir it. As you guys can see, this is my skin day 1, and my goal is to get rid of all of this acne, the active acne. I do have scarring. Of course, I want to lighten that as well, but the main goal is just to get rid of those bumps on my face. I'm over it. But as you can see, I'm applying the turmeric, and we're going to let it rock. So I'm going to leave this mask on for 30 minutes, basically until it dries, and then I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like dry. Okay, so it's been about an hour. I got a little distracted on TikTok. This is what the mask looks like. If I touch my face, it'll come off of my hands, but I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I'll update you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, today is Tuesday, day 2. Overall, my skin feels a lot smoother than yesterday. Like I said, it's just a little scabby over here, which I think is just part of the healing process anyway. But yeah, I already washed my face and everything. My hands are clean. But my face to me doesn't look any different yet. I didn't feel like doing this today. I was already over this whole process, but I really want to commit to this and see if it works. Oh, so we're gonna make the same mask from yesterday. I don't know, it's part of the brush. All right. As you can see by my face, it does look pretty dry, but the turmeric is starting to dry out my pimples, which is what I wanted. Usually when I do this turmeric mask, I make sure to moisturize really good afterwards because turmeric can be a little dry. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 30 minutes. I'm gonna take a shower and I will update you guys tomorrow. This is my face. I feel like my face feels a lot flatter than it was yesterday. And I'm still keeping up with the same skincare routine that I had before this. But I feel like, I don't know, I feel like my face looks cleaner, like, and a little bit brighter. I don't know, but we'll see. But this is still dark, but I feel like it's shedding, like the dead skin is coming off. So that was like a burn combined with an eczema patch. So weird. Like I was straightening my hair, I burned it in the same area that I had eczema, and then it just scarred really bad. But yeah, this is my face right now. I feel like it's gotten brighter, but we're gonna do the mask. I'm gonna try to make it a little bit thicker today. Oh my god. I've already washed my face. I feel like, just looking into the viewfinder, my skin looks a lot brighter since I've been doing this turmeric. My face feels pretty good. Like a lot of the stuff that was bumpy in the beginning of the week has gone down a lot. I haven't changed my skincare routine from when I started this challenge, so I feel like the turmeric is definitely working. I'm not really tired of doing the mask yet. Like I'm a skincare person. Like I was tired day 2 but going into it day 4, like I actually feel good about doing this, and it's like becoming a part of my routine. And aren't these really cool, guys? These are like arm sleeves. So when the water runs down, like when you're washing your face at the sink and the water runs down your arm, the water doesn't hit your arm. Like it's like little sleeve protectors. I know a couple people that sell them. I'll put the link to some. I'll probably find some on Amazon, put the link to them down below. And today I'm gonna make the mask a little bit different because I feel like my skin like when I was washing it, it was a little bit sensitive in some areas. So like right here where things are healing at, I just kind of want to leave it alone a little bit. I know the apple cider vinegar in the mask that I make is a little bit harsh. Like this can be a little bit harsh. My skin is not sensitive, like I said. It can take a lot, but I want to switch it up because I feel like I just need to listen to my skin. Okay, it's really just substituting the apple cider vinegar for milk. I'm gonna go ahead and make the mask. My skin is starting to scab, and I can literally feel the scabs on my face. As you can see, everything's just really starting to dry up, which is the whole point. And now I'm applying the mask. This looks like baby poop. It legit looks like Lila pooped on me. Okay, so yesterday my skin like underneath my eyes was not sensitive, but you can feel the burning sensation from the apple cider vinegar. I feel like this mask that I made today is a lot better if your skin is sensitive, but this mask I feel like is a lot better because I feel like right now this mask with the milk instead of the apple cider vinegar is a little bit better because my skin is sensitive and it's helping to like soothe everything. That's really it. That's the only thing I changed. Turmeric still the same, Aztec healing clay still the same, everything else is still the same except for the liquid. And yeah, it feels fine, and I like that I can get a little closer to underneath my eyes. So I feel like my skin has gotten a lot brighter already, and it's only been, what, this is day 4, so hopefully it's working. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Today is Friday. I'm not sure what day we're on technically. My skin looks and feels its best today. I feel like it feels really smooth. Honestly, I just popped a couple whiteheads that just easily came out. Like I just squeezed them with a paper towel and they literally just easily popped right out. I feel like my skin looks brighter. I feel like it looks clearer. I just came back from the gym. But yeah, I feel like my skin just looks overall brighter and everything just feels a lot smoother. So today I think I'm going to use the milk instead of the apple cider vinegar again. I liked that yesterday because it wasn't as intense of a liquid. Alright, we're adding that Aztec healing clay. And I only use this honey for masks, so I just dip right into it. Probably should take off this white shirt. The milk has a turmeric stain on it. So here's my skin. Alright, so I'm going to leave this on for 30 minutes and then I'm going to take a shower and I will see you guys tomorrow. And I feel like my face looks really good. My face is completely like flat. Like I don't feel any bumps. I feel a little bit, probably like 1 or 2 whiteheads, but other than that it feels really clear, like smooth, baby, smooth. Of course I still have some hyperpigmentation, but I feel like my face looks brighter and it feels so much better. I feel like this turmeric mask is really helping my skin just be overall better. This little spot, I feel like it got lighter. I have to look back at the footage, but I feel like it got lighter a little bit, but I just feel like my skin looks so much better. Like, oh my goodness. So disclaimer, if you guys plan on using turmeric, if you are lighter than me, or if you're white skin or light skinned, listen, use a teaspoon of turmeric or less, because the turmeric will stain your skin. It will stain your pillowcases. It will stain your clothes. I've already mixed up my mask, added my milk, honey, Aztec clay, and turmeric. And also, I don't like to make my mask all at one time. I like to make it every single day because I feel like if you put your turmeric mask in the refrigerator, like make a big batch of it and put it in the refrigerator, it doesn't work as good. Like the effectiveness isn't as good. So I mix mine up fresh every time I use it. This consistency is like perfect for Okay, so this time I'm gonna show you guys my face when it's dry, so I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes and the face mask is completely dry. I can barely talk. But this is what it looks like. It's really dried up on my face. I really like this consistency. It's not too much honey, and it's dry to the touch, which I like. So I feel like the key is not to add too much honey. Add more Aztec clay to make the formula a little drier, and add any amount of turmeric that you like, but not as much honey because the honey makes it very wet. Okay, so it's now time to wash the mask off. This mask comes off very easily, especially in the shower. As you can see, it takes like 1 minute to completely get all the residue off. And I love how my skin feels afterwards. And can you guys see this before and after? Of course, yes, I still have scarring, but the active acne is all gone basically on both sides. Like literally that pimple that was by my ear is gone completely, and all those little bumps are gone. My skin looks good.